In a rare move, this morning jurors are taking a trip outside the courthouse to visit the sprawling hunting property of disgraced attorney Alex Murdaugh. The defense successfully arguing the jury view of the crime scene where Murdaugh's wife Maggie and son Paul were murdered will help them understand the layout of the area near the dog kennels. The 1,700-acre property, known as Moselle, is now up for sale. In court Tuesday, prosecutors calling half a dozen rebuttal witnesses.
I cannot include or exclude two shooters,
including forensics expert Kenneth Kinsey, who said he could not endorse or rule out the theory raised by the defense that two shooters were involved in the murders, while taking direct issue with the defense witness who used bullet trajectories to conclude the shooter likely would have been between 5'2" and 5'4", a foot shorter than Alex Murdaugh. Kinsey arguing multiple variables make it impossible to determine the shooter's height or gun position with any certainty.
Could have been a 5'4", 6'4", or in my opinion, a 7'4", as I just demonstrated.
The firearms involved in this case have never been recovered, and Alex Murdaugh has repeatedly maintained he would never hurt his wife or son.
I didn't shoot my wife or my son anytime, ever.
Murdaugh emotional as the court heard graphic details about the manner of Paul's shooting.
This is terrible, and I know it's terrible. It's probably the worst thing you ever saw.
The state also reviving the issue of the dozens of alleged financial crimes Murdaugh is separately facing, which they've argued is part of his motive. Murdaugh's longtime friend and former colleague Ronnie Crosby taking the stand a second time.
Not only the trauma of losing people we loved in a double homicide, seeing the aftermath, and then learning that someone you worked with for more than 20 years had been stealing and deceiving us. There's a lot of emotion there.